starts now. Man, I can't believe I won that race. It was a totally good race, and I won. I'm the fastest bus in the world. Not you should be the fastest bus in the world. Orange bus is faster than you. My name is Paul, the police bike, and my name is Buster, the bus. No, not Buster. I don't know what my name is. Bro, your name is Bussy. Oh, Bussy. I forgot. My name is Orange. I can't. Your name is Lanny. Yeah, Lanny. And my name is, your name is Long. Paul and Long. We are brothers. Yep. We're brothers. I don't even have any brothers or sisters. So I have my own brother. And I have my own brother. I don't have any brothers or sisters. I'm just a girl. My mom made me just like this. Minutes later. Huh? What is that? A car! It's breaking the speed limit! Paul, go get him! I'm on my way! I'm only 5! Stop here! Pull over! Why were you breaking the speed limit? I don't know. The thing I don't know, I'm giving you a ticket for speeding on the road. You broke the speed limit. When you were driving so fast, you could have hurt somebody. Huh? It's time to my roots. See you later, guys. Come with me. I don't know how to drive on the road, so that's why I'm speeding. Well, I have to teach you to drive. Hey guys, if any of you have, if you guys don't know how to drive, come to Paul. Yes, Paul, brother. Yeah. Yes. Let's cheer for Paul. This way. Come on, let's teach you how to drive. I've got my driving license. Thank you, Paul. You're welcome. All the day's work. Okay, now I'm gonna go the street. My ship is coming soon. So I have to wait here. Amber, the ambulance. Yes? There's been an accident. You need to come quickly. Yes! I'll be there in a minute. Welcome aboard! Oh, yeah. I'm not at the stop yet. Welcome aboard! is my bus. The bus that is in the race. So, we have to wait until they shift it here. I need to walk to the museum. The museum? Okay. Oh. A truck needs to be fixed. I'm on my way. Here we go. We're at the museum. Hooray! Thank you. Enjoy the movie. And look out, some dinosaur bones. Ooh, dinosaur bones. You finished with your are you finished with your shift? Yep. Yep, and it's already your turn. Oh no, I'm late. No one was hurt. Everyone was okay. Safe and sound. Ow! I'm healed. Oh no! Looks like my wheel is gone flat. Huh? Amber, what are you doing up here? Why do you stop in the middle of the road? Oh, Paul. I stopped in the middle of the road because my tire, it got flat. Don't worry. I'll call the fixing truck. He can help you. Thank you, Paul. You're a lifesaver. Part 3 is coming.